Here we are at Fishtails Inn, our house. And what's different is, whoa, it's a snowy winter wonderland on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Becky's got to make a snow angel. Look at that drift. You can believe that. Whoa, whoa. Oh, shoot. It's a snow angel. She's doing sit-ups. And the little doggies. Look at the little doggy. I told the neighbors that finally we could see the dog. Isn't this just beautiful? I learned this little 360 trick from Ryan. It is snowing. Look, doggy's barking. Come on, doggy. All right. Love you, mean it. Uh-oh, snow on the screen. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. See ya. Outer Banks of North Carolina, snowstorm.